Now, Baleshwar wants someone's help. The tempo truck driver stopped his motor and he lent his helping hands to Baleshwar Mishra. Next, Baleshwar pleaded to the tempo truck driver to help to him. Baleshwar was quickly telling driver what had happened when a traffic police arrived. So Baleshwar, he tried to convince what had happened in the tracks, in the railway tracks. He explained the situation. Understand? He explained the whole situation. At the same time, the traffic police came to that place and he is also asked what had happened. And he suggested, who suggested? The policeman, the cop suggested to Baleshwar Mishra. What he suggested? Take the girl to Airoli. Suggested the cop. There is a hospital there. That cop, that policeman suggested to Baleshwar Mishra, take the girl to the Airoli. Here Airoli means name of the place. Name of the place. So here policeman suggested to Baleshwar Mishra and tempo truck driver to take the girl to the Airoli. So Airoli means it is the name of the place. But Baleshwar Mishra rejected the suggestion of the policeman. Why he rejects? Let's see. Airoli was at least 10 kilometers away, but Baleshwar disagreed because Airoli was at least 10 kilometers away. So Airoli is 10 kilometers away from that place. It is far away from that place. So that Baleshwar Mishra, so he disagreed the suggestion of the policeman. He wants to go to the hospital very quickly because the blood was flowing in the head of Roma Taleja. It is deeply cut, so that he wants to go quickly to the hospital. So he rejects or he disagreed the words of the suggestion of the policeman. Next, there is a closer place I know of, said Baleshwar. 10 minutes later, they arrived at a small hospital where nurses helped take the young women in. So, Baleshwar Mishra, he knows the nearby hospital. So, he knows a nearby hospital, so that he suddenly quickly take that girl to the hospital. So, the nurses, the staff nurses helped Baleshwar Mishra to take that girl to the room, means that medication room. They helped. But as the facility lacked personnel and equipment, the on-duty physician wasn't able to do more than give basic first aid. He advised that she be moved to a nearby hospital. But unfortunately, in that hospital, there is a lack of equipment and personnel. Personnel here means staff. In that hospital, it is a small hospital, so staff. In that small hospital, there is a lack of equipment and personnel. That means staff. So that the on-duty doctor is also, he can be able to give the basic treatment to the that girl. So he can't do any more on that. So that he suggested, the on-duty doctor Roma blinkly, very slightly, slightly means very difficultly, she opened her eyes. Fluttered means very opened eyes. Oh, very slightly, very difficultly, she opened her eyes. When she opened her eyes, so here lurched means moved unsteadily. So very quickly they moved to the another one hospital. When they are moving, Roma, so very difficultly she opened her eyes. She got consciousness. What's your name? Asked Baleshwar, who was with her in the back of the truck. So Baleshwar Mishra and Roma Talreja, they are in the back of the truck. When she opened the eyes, she wants to get the information. He wants to get the information of the Roma Talreja. So he suddenly asked, what's your name? Where are you coming from? So who are with you? He asked like that. Roma, she managed to grind out. So grind out means with some effort. With some effort. With some effort, she used to talk. She managed to talk. With some effort, she managed to talk to the Baleshwar. Whom can I call? He asked quickly, fearing that she would black out once more. She would black out once more means to become unconscious. Once more, she become unconscious. There is a possibility of once again Roma becomes unconscious. So that whom can I call? You call. And what's your name? He asked very quickly. He asked questions very quickly because within a short time, so he wants the answers from Roma Talreja because there is a possibility of unconsciousness of Roma Talreja. My brother Dinesh, she said, slowly giving him Dinesh's cell phone number. Baleshwar memorized it and watched as Roma's eyes soon lost focus and rolled back into the darkness. So suddenly Roma also answered before she go back to her unconsciousness. She answered that my brother. You can call to my brother Dinesh Talreja. She also tell the cell phone number of her brother. So very difficultly, so that Baleshwar Mishra, he memorized the cell phone number and dialed to his her brother. So that Roma Talreja's brother Dinesh. So next, soon Roma again he back to his unconsciousness. Chacha, can I borrow your mobile? Baleshwar asked, and the driver passed him his phone. So Baleshwar Mishra, he don't have a cell phone, so that he borrowed cell phone from Chacha. Chacha means that tempo truck driver. The tempo truck driver gives the mobile to Baleshwar Mishra and he contact Dinesh Talreja. Dinesh Talreja was wrapping up his day at his marketing job at a retail outlet in a Ullas Nagar when his phone rang from a number he didn't recognize. So Dinesh Talreja, he is working his own business. He is working as a retail customer at Ullas Nagar in Mumbai. So when he is wrapping his business, means on that day his work is finished, he wants to go back to his home. So when he suddenly got the call from unknown number, he didn't recognize that number, but still he picked up that call and talk with the Baleshwar Mishra. Dinesh Bhai, a young voice asked, your sister Roma has fallen off multi-speciality hospital at Ghansoli. So he called to Dinesh, Baleshwar Mishra called to Dinesh and informed about his sister. Dinesh boy, a young boy, sir. So Divine Hospital in Ghansoli. I am on my way, said Dinesh, rushing towards his motorcycle. So Dinesh was very scared when he heard the news. So he is on his way to the hospital. So I am on the way. I will very quickly come to the hospital and see what was happening, and he rushed towards the hospital very quickly. So he reached the hospital. Roma arrived at the Divine Multi-Speciality Hospital and Research Center minutes later. Dr. Anil Agarwal, the medical director there, seeing the extent of Roma's injuries, admitted her immediately to the ICU without any paperwork. Dr. Agarwal is a good-natured person, without anything asked, without any paperwork. So he admitted that girl to the ICU. So he directly admitted that girl to the ICU, and he, without any paperwork, he started to give the treatment to that Roma Taleja. He asked Baleshwar to hang around until Roma's family arrived. So that Dr. Anil Agarwal, he suggested, but that Baleshwar Mishra, so you have to stay here until the Roma's family arrived. He suggested, and that was when they noticed that the driver, having done all he could, had slipped away with his truck. Oh, I couldn't thank him, Baleshwar thanked. So he waited until Roma's family come to the hospital, and tempo truck driver, he had some other work, so that he slipped, means he go back to his work. After he went back to his work, Baleshwar Mishra thought himself that, so I couldn't thank him, so he helped me a lot, but I forgot to thank him. He himself thought like that. Roma was still unconscious. So she is in a ICU. Now Dr. Anil Agarwal consulted her, and she is still in unconscious, but her x-rays showed that although the injuries looked severe, all she needed were deep wound sutures. Sutures means some stitches. So the wound, so she is crucially injured. Her head was deeply cut, so that she needs some x-rays showed that although injured looked very severe, that not that much of danger, that is a very severe injuries she had, and she needed deep wound sutures, means stitches to the head. There would be no lasting damage, but Dr. Agarwal believes that she could have bled to death had nobody helped her. If no one helps to the girl, if no one helps to the Roma Taleja, she would be dying. So if Baleshwar Mishra did not help to the girl, there is a possibility of the death of Roma Taleja. So who opines it? So that Dr. Anil Agarwal, so he opines like that. When she finally opened her eyes that night, her brother and fiancé were by her side. She could barely speak, just nodded and fell asleep again. So on that day, she finally opened her eyes. She finally got the consciousness and barely speak, not able to speak. She is not able to speak, but she just opened her eyes. When she opened the eyes, she can only saw her brother Dinesh and fiancé Vijay, and she just nodded, means she just looked to both of them, and again she fell asleep. When Baleshwar came to meet her the next morning, Roma was still partly sedated. belongings. Not far from the spot, a railway employee assured Baleshwar that some of Roma's belongings had been found. So, very fortunately, the railway employee got the belongings of Roma Taleja and he gives back those belongings, those things to Baleshwar Mishra, who give back the belongings of Roma Taleja. So, the railway employee. How are you feeling? Baleshwar asked Roma. I am okay, Roma whispered. So again Baleshwar Mishra is asking about the health of Roma Taleja. How are you? How are you feeling now? He asked. So that Roma whispered very slowly. So she is answering that, okay, I am okay now. In a few days, Roma made a full recovery. I can't imagine what would have happened if Baleshwar did not be there. She says, amazed to learn of the manner in which she had been rescued. Within a few days, Roma, she got the consciousness and fully recovered. She is fully recovered and she can't imagine what would happen if Baleshwar did not help to Roma. She can't imagine what would be happen. So she can't imagine. There is a possibility of the death, as already doctor told to her. So that there is no. This is like beyond the imagination. If Baleshwar did not